Hey dolls, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look for you. It came out so good. At least I felt like it came out so good. I was really excited about it. I told you in my last video that I was going to still use this palette. It's this palette right side up, and I'm really excited because I had already in my last video used the oranges and the yellows in it, and for this look I wanted to use the blues that I had picked. I love them so freaking much. This video is going to be a voiceover. I try to make it as short as possible because I feel like my videos are a little bit long. But if you guys like that, if you like me just kind of rambling and talking, let me know in the description box below. Comment box below. Or just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me just like chit chats and just rambling and talking about whatever. So if you are new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Helps me out like a lot, like not just a little bit, but like a lot. And also go ahead and click on that notification bell so that way you know whenever I drop a new video. I don't drop videos on a schedule. I don't have like a Tuesday, Monday, blah, blah, blah. I drop it whenever I can because your girl is a working hard girl, and I have a full-time job, and it's not YouTube. So it's really dope if you guys could hit that notification and also subscribe to me and also watch my videos and help me out, help me reach like, I don't know, 100 views. Like, it was really dope that my last video got 100, so it'd be dope if this video got 100. So yeah, or more. I mean, more is always better, but you know, I'm cool with 100. So yeah, guys, if you want to learn how to get this look better me, really cute, if you want to look cute, go ahead, keep watching. Let's get into the video. Starting with my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be using this pink shade, and I'm just going to be putting it in my crease. I will be building this color up to its most pigmentedness. I really wanted a really vibrant neon pink color. I do end up switching brushes so that way I can make sure that my crease is a little bit more blown out and doesn't look super harsh. Using that purple in the palette, I do use it in my crease and my outer V of my eye just to deepen up the crease. I'm also patting this eyeshadow on the outer corner so I can get the most pigmentation. And then to make sure everything looks seamless, I'm taking that brush again that I had used with the pink just to blend everything together. If you guys don't have this palette yet, you have to get it. It's an amazing palette. It's the 39A. I'm jumping into that blue. It's like it's called Indigo, and it's such a really pigmented eyeshadow. And I'm just using it to deepen up the crease just a little bit more. This concealer will remain nameless for the time being, just because of all the controversy from this cosmetic brand, but I'm just using this concealer to blank out my lid so that I can have like a clean canvas for when I apply the next eyeshadow. Jumping into my Makeup Forever palette, I'm using that sky blue color. It's so pretty. It has like this shimmer in it, and it's just amazing, so creamy. I'm just putting that all on my lid. I do leave a little bit of space between this eyeshadow and the purple. I'm going to be using that darker turquoise. I don't know, I couldn't see that. I'm a turquoise. In that blank space so that there is a nice gradient between the darker purple, the turquoise, and then that sky blue color. If you guys are looking for a full coverage foundation, you guys should try out the Huda Beauty one. It's so nice. I love the fragrance on it. It does take some getting used to, but it's a nice smell, and I do feel like it leaves like a flawless finish. Finishing up the bottom portion of my eye, I'm going to be using those pinks and purples and blues
from the Morphe palettes that I had mentioned previously, just to complete the look. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be using that mint color in my Makeup Forever palette. I just did that so that way my eyes can be a little bit more brighter and look a little bit more awake. And then of course, to highlight, I'm using my, I think this one's the Peach from Artist Couture and the Jackie Aina collection. And for lip, this is a Tarte liquid lipstick, and I forgot the shade of it, but I'm just basically using this for a as a lip liner type of vibe. And to top it off, I'm going to be using this NYX lip gloss in the color Sugar Mama, and that basically completes the makeup look.
So guys, this is the final look. I really do like it. It's so pretty. It's kind of like mermaid inspired-ish in a way. Had no idea what I was going to do, but I kind of like how it came out. I thought it was kind of like really pretty. I just want to say that, like, you know, be who you are and love who you are. Feel beautiful in your own skin. Feel beautiful with makeup, without makeup. What really truly matters is like what's on the inside. You don't have to be a negative person to someone else just so that you can feel better about yourself. What really matters is what's on the inside, not what's on the outside. All this makeup that I put on is just for fun. I like how it looks at the end. I like how I look without makeup, and you should too. I do these YouTube videos just to escape, you know, and I just encourage anyone who wants to escape the world for just a little bit, do what makes you happy. If it's, I don't know, if it's scrapbooking, do that. Do what makes you feel happy. If it's jogging, running on the beach, whatever it is, do it. Like, don't let someone take or rob your joy or make you feel like whatever is your joy a bad thing. Just continue to stay true to yourself. Continue fighting for like whatever you want to do in life. You only have one life. Live it for you, and don't live it for other people, like, or trying to please other people. So yeah, and that, with that, to make it a little bit lighter, if you guys aren't subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe, and I shall see ya in my next video. Bye. Love you.